Good morning, baby. It's your boy Ollie here. Yo, go make sure you're watching that new Rose video I put out. This first 24 hours is like the most important time to get them views in, baby. So do me a favor, go check that shit out. The link's in the bio. Yeah. A little bit later on today, I'm gonna actually be shooting for a new music video too. And that one we're gonna release when Rose gets to 1,000 views. So go run that shit up, baby. Run that shit up if you want to see another one. Yeah. Oh, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ollie. Hey, Jesse's Company Forever got a new Instagram page. They go be posting updates about all their events and shit. The events are cool as fuck. You should definitely go check them out. Go to one of their events if you're in LA or wherever they be holding them. It's your boy Ollie. Yo, we actually.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah, we good. We got Chef Old Mike Keith in here with me today. Yeah, we being safe.
Ollie's finger off.
Yo, Old Mike Keith murdered that fish. It was so good, I had to devour it before I could even get a snap, baby.